Okay guys, repeat sentence. Now, repeat sentence is one of the most important tasks in your PTE exam and also one of the most difficult tasks in your PTE exam because it requires a little bit of memorizing, a little bit of retaining power. Okay, and many people are not actually able to get the whole thing. If you look at the score guide of your repeat sentence, you're actually getting approximately 32 marks in your speaking. Okay, and you are getting approximately 20 marks in your listening, which means you are getting more marks for your fluency and your pronunciation than your content, because listening is your content. On an average, you will get 7 to 12 words. Okay, let's say you get 10 words. Out of 10 words, you just remember 7 words. Now, if you remember 7 words and let's say you're getting marks out of 13, 5 marks for fluency, 5 marks for pronunciation, and 3 marks for your content. Now, even if you just remember 7 words, but you say those 7 words with proper fluency and pronunciation and confidence, like top notch, okay, let's count your marks then. 5 marks for fluency, you will get. 5 marks for pronunciation, you will get. And in your content, you are getting marks out of 3. So if you say 7 words out of 10, you will get, let's say, 2 marks. So even after saying 7 words, you can still get 12 marks out of 13, which is your 8 each. Okay, so keep this thing in your mind that your content is your second priority. Your first priority is your speaking part. Your first priority is speaking with confidence. Okay, so just try to remember as much as you can. You don't need to remember all of it if you are not able to. Okay, the best case scenario would be if you train yourself, if you improve your skill for your retention, for your retaining power. That would be the best case scenario. But keep in mind, if you get confused, just speak the whole sentence, speak whatever you remember, but speak it with confidence, say it with confidence. Okay, if you do it like that, you will get marks. For more such tips, tricks, strategies, what have you, follow us and leave a comment down below for if you want us to shoot any other videos, if you have any other ideas, if you have any other doubts, and we'll deliver. My name is Sam. I'll see you guys soon.